and welcome to Tango for Beginners Lesson 1. Today we will learn Tango Walk, Progressive Link and Closed Promenade. And let's welcome our today's demonstrators, Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to demonstrate these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy them.
Tango Walks exercise. Man starts with left foot, lady with right foot. Man goes forward, forward, forward and close. Left foot back, back, back and close. Lady with right foot back, back, back and close. Right foot forward, forward, forward and close. And now together with teaching. Hold and walk, walk, walk and close and walk, walk, walk and close and slow, 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 slow and slow, 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 slow. And now let's look at footwork. Man starts with left foot and goes with heel, heel, heel and whole foot, ball heel, ball heel, ball heel and whole foot. Lady starts with right foot and goes back with ball heel, ball heel, ball heel, whole foot, heel, 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 whole foot. And now we will learn progressive link. Man starts with left foot, forward and to side. Free foot is on inside edge of toe. Let's do it again. Man starts with left foot, forward and to side in promenade position. Lady steps. Lady starts with right foot back and to side. Free foot is on inside edge of toe. Let's do it again and add small turn. Back to side and turn to promenade position. So we show it twice. Now let's do it together. First time without turn and then with turn. So we dance quick, quick. And again this time with turn. Quick, quick. And we finish in promenade position. Now from opposite angle and quick, quick. And now with the turn and quick, quick. And we finish in promenade position. In promenade position, man's right knee should be between a lady's knees. Now wrong version when knees are opposing each other. And even worse position when the man's left knee is between a lady's knees. And again, correct position, man's right knee is between lady's knees. Upper part of body is in V shape. Man's head is to left, lady's head is to right. And now we will learn closed promenade. Man starts with left foot from promenade position. To side in promenade. Forward and across in promenade, to side and close. Lady steps. Lady starts from promenade position with right foot, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, to side and turn to left and close. Now let's look at closed promenade. Together and slow, quick, quick, slow. And from opposite angle, closed hold, promenade position and slow, quick, quick, slow. And now we will put small routine together. Man starts with left foot, walk forward, progressive link forward. To side in promenade, close promenade, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, to side and close. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, backward walk, progressive link, back to side in promenade, closed promenade, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, to side and close. And now let's dance this routine with teaching count and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And from opposite direction we take close hold, body contact, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now to music. Let's thank our demonstrators Roberts and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.